These AI tools are so powerful, they almost feel illegal to use. And the crazy part is, you can use them right from your phone. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you 5 amazing AI tools that can completely change the way you create videos, images, and content in 2026. If you're a content creator, a beginner, or someone who just loves tech, you're going to love this. Before we jump in, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss powerful tech tips like this. Now let's get started. AI Video Generator. The first tool is called HeyGen. This tool allows you to create talking AI videos just by typing text. Yes, you heard that right. You don't need a camera. You don't need to record yourself. And you don't even need advanced editing skills. All you have to do is type your script, choose an AI avatar, and the platform will generate a full video where the avatar speaks your words. This is perfect for faceless YouTube channels, tutorials, and online content. Many creators are already using this to grow their channels faster. Text-to-video AI. The second tool is Pictory AI. This tool is amazing because it can turn your text into a complete video automatically. The tool is a game changer. AI image generator number 3 is Leonardo AI. This tool can generate incredible images from simple text prompts. You can create thumbnails, characters, animations, or even realistic pictures just by describing what you want. Our AI voice generator. The fourth tool is ElevenLabs. This AI tool can create ultra-realistic voiceovers from text. So if you don't like recording your own voice, or if you want a professional-sounding narration, this tool can do it for you. It sounds very natural, and many creators are already using it for videos, storytelling, and content production. This makes video creation much easier and faster. AI Video Editor. And finally, we have CapCut. This app is one of the best tools for editing videos directly on your phone. CapCut now includes AI features that help you automatically add captions, effects, and smooth transitions. Even if you're a beginner, you can create professional-looking videos in just a few minutes. That's why so many creators rely on this app today. Here's a bonus tip that many people don't know. The real power comes when you combine these AI tools together. For example, you can generate images with AI, create a voiceover using AI, and then edit everything into a video. This is exactly how many viral videos are being created right now. And the best part is, anyone can do it. Now I want to know something. Which of these AI tools surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you like the video, subscribe to Daily Tech Hacks, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next powerful AI tools and tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.